All right. I mean, we have Nandita Dagar joining us from New Delhi for more on this. Well, Nandita, Ministry of Defence held a joint press conference yesterday to brief the nation on the operations progress and strategic outlook. Tell us more about that.
Yes, hi Lepakshi. Today at 12 noon, which is about 2 hours from now, our Director General of Military Operations, Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai, will be holding a hotline telephonic conversation with his Pakistani counterpart, Major General Kashif Abdullah. Now, who are DGMOs? DGMOs are the point men or nodal officials of the military. In fact, our DGMO is representing not just the Director General of Army Operations, but also the Navy and Air Force operations also in these talks. As you know that on Saturday, there was an agreement that was reached with the Pakistani DGMO, which was announced around 3:35, and that I am getting a lot of background noise, Lepakshi. If our panel producers can rectify the fact that I am getting a lot of noise from the panel. And getting a lot of disturbance also. If that can be rectified, I would be grateful.
Sure.
Yes, so Lepakshi, as you know, on Saturday it was announced that it was the Pakistani DGMO who initiated this conversation with our DGMO and requested for a ceasefire to all kinetic hostilities. And following that, Pakistan did not live up to that ceasefire, because when 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time on Saturday, that ceasefire in shelling, firing from heavy caliber artillery guns, aerial intrusions by drones was supposed to come to an end by 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time on Saturday. But on Saturday night, again by 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time, we saw activity all across the Indian border with Pakistan, from J&K on the LOC, from Kupwara, Baramulla, Rajouri, Poonch, Mender, and in the frontier states of Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. So certainly the 36 hours were given. So Pakistan, obviously, just like a deceitful and a rogue state which cannot be trusted, obviously violated that agreement. Yet it got a strong message from our Army and Air Force air defense system. All its drones were neutralized, and all its projectiles were rendered decimated, and they bit the dust, and they could not cause loss to civilian infrastructure. Therefore, Pakistan has now, as per the agreement reached on Saturday after 36 hours, that was on now it will be decided the longevity of this ceasefire deal that has been reached on Saturday. I am getting, Lepakshi, I am sorry to say, but there are a lot of voices on the panel which are actually coming into my ear and making it impossible for me to speak to you.